Empower connects your financial information in one place so you can track spending, monitor money habits, and manage your finances from one app. By the end, you'll know what Empower offers, who it works best for, and what to check before paying for a membership. Empower is designed for people who want a clearer view of their money without managing multiple accounts separately. The app focuses on bringing financial information together so users can see their overall financial picture. One of the main reasons people consider Empower is its budgeting and tracking features. Instead of checking different bank accounts, credit cards, or investment accounts individually, users can view their financial details through a single platform. This can be useful if you want to understand where your money goes each month. Seeing spending patterns in one place can make it easier to identify recurring expenses and organize your budget. The membership question depends on whether you will actually use the extra features. If you only need basic money tracking, a paid membership may not provide enough value. If you regularly use financial planning tools, the additional features may be more useful. Before signing up, look at the tools included with the membership and compare them with how you currently manage your finances. A service is only worth paying for if it helps you complete tasks you already care about. Another factor is simplicity. Some people prefer having one dashboard that shows their accounts and financial activity together. Others prefer using separate apps directly from their banks and investment providers. Empower can be a helpful option for people who want more visibility into their finances and prefer managing money through a centralized app. It may not be necessary for people who already have a system that works well. The best way to decide is to test how often you would use the features. Check whether the app helps you track spending, review your financial goals, and make decisions more easily. Empower is not about replacing every financial service you use. It is a tool that can make managing multiple parts of your financial life more organized. Before paying for the membership, compare the features you need with the cost, and decide if the convenience is worth it for your situation. If this helped you understand whether Empower is worth considering, subscribe for more simple reviews of financial apps and money tools.